Welcome to Prime Auto Insights. Today, we're diving deep into a question that's been buzzing among car enthusiasts. Is the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing better than the BMW M3? Buckle up as we explore what makes the CT4-V Blackwing a formidable contender in the performance sedan arena. The 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing is equipped with a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive 472 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. This powerhouse enables the Blackwing to sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.9 seconds when paired with the 10-speed automatic transmission and 4.2 seconds with the 6-speed manual option. The vehicle boasts a top speed of 189 miles per hour, showcasing its high-performance capabilities. In comparison, the BMW M3 offers a 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six engine, producing 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque in its standard form. The M3 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.1 seconds with the 6-speed manual transmission. Opting for the competition model increases the output to 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, reducing the 0 to 60 miles per hour time to around 3.8 seconds with the 8-speed automatic transmission. The CT4-V Blackwing stands out by offering both a 6-speed manual transmission and a 10-speed automatic, catering to driving purists and those seeking convenience. Its rear-wheel drive (RWD) layout ensures a dynamic driving experience, emphasizing driver engagement. The BMW M3 also provides a 6-speed manual transmission in its standard variant, with an 8-speed automatic available in the competition model. The standard M3 features a rear-wheel drive setup, while the competition model offers an optional all-wheel drive (AWD) system, enhancing traction and versatility. Cadillac has engineered the CT4-V Blackwing with precision, featuring magnetic ride control 4.0 and an electronic limited slip differential. These technologies work in harmony to provide exceptional handling, responsiveness, and ride comfort. The vehicle's chassis is finely tuned to deliver a balanced and engaging driving experience, making it adept on both road and track. The BMW M3 is renowned for its sharp handling and precise steering, offering a well-balanced chassis that caters to spirited driving. The optional AWD system in the competition model enhances grip, allowing for confident cornering and improved stability in various driving conditions. Inside the CT4-V Blackwing, occupants are greeted with a driver-focused cockpit, featuring high-quality materials and advanced technology. The performance seats provide excellent support, and the infotainment system is intuitive, offering seamless connectivity. Cadillac's attention to detail ensures both comfort and functionality. The BMW M3's interior exudes a blend of luxury and sportiness, with premium materials and a modern design. The M-specific seats are both supportive and comfortable, and the iDrive infotainment system is user-friendly, offering a range of connectivity options. The M3 also provides ample space for passengers and cargo, making it practical for daily use. The Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing offers a compelling value proposition, with a starting price around $60,000. This pricing positions it competitively within the performance sedan segment, especially considering its performance capabilities and features. The BMW M3 starts at a higher price point, with the standard model beginning around $70,000 and the competition model exceeding that. While the M3 offers a strong brand heritage and a reputation for performance, the CT4-V Blackwing provides similar thrills at a more accessible price. So, is the 2025 Cadillac CT4-V Blackwing better than the BMW M3? The answer depends on individual preferences. The CT4-V Blackwing impresses with its potent engine, engaging driving dynamics, and attractive pricing, making it a formidable challenger in the performance sedan market. On the other hand, the BMW M3 continues to uphold its legacy with exceptional handling, advanced technology, and a choice between RWD and AWD configurations. Ultimately, both vehicles offer exhilarating experiences, and the choice comes down to personal priorities, be it brand loyalty, specific performance attributes, or value for money. Whichever you choose, both the CT4-V Blackwing and the M3 exemplify the pinnacle of modern performance sedans. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth comparison. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more reviews and automotive insights from Prime Auto Insights.